Oh God, look at it. It's perfect.
Hello beautiful queen, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl JK with another video today. Guys, I brought to you guys the most viral K-beauty product. Yes guys, a company called Fwee reached out to me and sent me some of their new collection products to try out, to show you guys how amazing this product is. And it has been going viral on every social media, on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, everywhere, Facebook even. Guys, everyone I'll be talking about the jelly pot, the volumizing lip glossy, and here today I'm here to show you guys, is it really worth the hype? Is it worth to buy? Is it good for a dark skin tone girl? Guys, this video will be giving you every detailed thing you need to know. If this video seems to your interest, sit right where you are, grab your coffee, relax your body, and enjoy this video to the end. Let's go. So guys, this is a company named Fwee. It actually came with a very beautiful packaging when it's arrived, but because of my impatience, I just cut it blah blah blah, and then I throw it out. Then I'm left with this packaging only, but it came with a very beautiful packaging. Guys, they sent me 5 of their glowy jelly pot gloss, and they also sent me 4 of their voluming lip gloss. So first I'm going to be reviewing the 3D volumizing lip gloss first. Guys, this lip gloss comes with a percentage. If you want a very deep color, a color that is very pigmented, you can go with the higher percentage, and if you want a very natural color, you can go with the lower percentage, which I will be showing you guys what percentage I have right here, so you can choose the color that suits yourself and that suits your mood for everyday look. And as you all know, I love to try my lip glosses with a lip liner. I'll also be showing you guys how you can apply it with a lip liner as well. So let's go ahead. So guys, the first one I'm going to go ahead with is called Current in 30%, and this is what it look like, the 30%. So I'm going to apply this without the lip liner first. So guys, this is what the 30% looks like without the lip liner, and it's looking like this. It's looking this. It's so cute. I like it. It's so cute. Like, guys, the consistency of this lip gloss. Ooh, the consistency of this lip gloss. Ooh. Oh my god, like it's giving. It's so cute without the lip liner. It's so cute. I love it. So now I'm going to line my lip and try it out with the lip liner. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply it with the lip liner. So guys, this is what it actually looks like with the lip liner. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I don't think I need to emphasize on this because this is giving omomianto. So next one is B05 Current in 70%, and this is what the 70% looks like right here, and this is 30%, this is 70%. The 70% is more deeper than the 30%, like it's more intense. Like, so without the lip liner, I'm going to try it out first. So guys, this is what the 70% looks like with without the lip liner. Now I'm going to go ahead with my lip liner and try it out. So guys, this is what B05 current 70% look like. It's so beautiful. So the next one I'm gonna try is A06 Scotch and 30%, and this is what the Scotch 30% look like. So now I'm going to be trying it out without the lip liner first, then we go ahead with the lip liner. So this is what it looks like without the lip liner, and it's so beautiful guys. I love it. Oh my god. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lip. So guys, this is what Scotch 30% looks like with the lip liner. It's so beautiful. You can rock it with and without the lip liner. Trust me, they are so beautiful. So beautiful on their own without the lip liner even. So the next one that I'm gonna try now is Scotch 70%, and this is what the Scotch 70% looks like right here. So I'm gonna try this now without the lip liner and let you guys see. So guys, this is what the Scotch 70% looks like without the lip liner. So guys, this is what the Scotch 70% looks like with the lip liner. It's so cute, it's so beautiful. I like it. It's giving me that rich lady vibes. Guys, the next one we want to try now is the most viral one, which is the glow jelly pot. So we're gonna go ahead now and try the glow jelly pot right here. This one. I'm about to try this now. Okay, this is how the package comes in, and once you open it, it's so cute inside. It's like a pot, like guys, it's in a jar like this. Guys, look at this. It's so cute. Look at this baby. There's also a direction on how to use this. You can either use your finger tips or you can use any brush of your choice to apply it. So the first one I'm gonna try is Curvature, and this is what it looks like inside. Oh my god guys. So I'm gonna be using my finger tip to apply this. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it. Oh my god guys, it's bouncing. That's what it looks like guys. Look at that pigmented. Oh my god, this is to apply it without the lip liner first. So this is what it's actually look like without the lip liner. So I'm going to line my lip now. So guys, this is what it actually look like with the lip liner. It's so cute. I prefer it even with and without the lip liner. I can always rock this. So the next one is Caramelized, and this is what it looks like inside, and this is what it looks like in my skin. So guys, this is what the Caramelized look like without the lip liner. So guys, this is what the Caramelized look like with the lip liner. It's so cute. So the next one I'm gonna try now is Compote, and this is what Compotes look like inside, guys. It's so beautiful. This is what it look like on my fingertip, and this is what it look like in my skin. So guys, this is what Compotes look like without the lip liner. So now I'm going to line my lip and try it with the lip liner. So guys, this is what the Compote look like with the lip liner. So guys, the next one I'm gonna try now is called Custard. This is what Custard looks like inside, and this is what it looks like on my skin. This is what Custard actually look like without the lip liner. So now I'm going to line my lip with the same lip liner that I've been using. So this is what Custard looks like with the lip liner. It came out so beautiful with the lip liner. I kind of like it. I think for me, I would love to rock this one with the lip liner because it's giving more detail. So guys, the last one but not the least is Cherry Pop, and this is what the Cherry Pop looks like inside. Guys, this is so cute. And this is what it looks like on my fingertip. This is what it looks like in my skin. So guys, this is what the Cherry Pop look like without the lip liner. Guys, it's giving cherry. It's giving spicy red, like. Guys, this is what the Cherry Pops look like with the lip liner. Guys, finally we are done with the lip swatch. Let me be honest with you guys, I love the consistency. It's silky, exotic, glamorous. Trust me, if you apply any of this lip gloss, you look charming. Trust me, yeah, they are so cute. It's very easy to apply. This is for every skin out there. You can go ahead and try this out, and if you have tried this before, let me know in the comment section, because as for me, trust me guys, they're amazing. They're not just good, they are amazing. I don't like it, but I love it. I love it. So I hope you all enjoyed this video to the end. If you do, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know your thoughts, let me know if you're gonna try it out. And again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share this video to your loved ones who find their lip very dry all day. Like, this lip gloss will give them soft lip.